my name is Simona and I'm a business analyst with SOFTEL. Here at SOFTEL, we have created a reporting solution to help companies like you migrating to Microsoft Teams to keep an eye on the billing costs for you and your agencies. SOFTEL's back billing solution allows you to get a sense of usage and fee charges at a glance from the overview dashboard. To make things easier for you, we implemented cascading filters and natural language Q&A to answer your questions. All you have to do is to type in your question and the AI engine will provide the answer for you. In the consumption dashboard, you can drill down on all types of charges to the user level. You can cross-filter data by agency, user, time period, and location. We have added a dashboard on consumption overages where you can immediately identify the agencies and the users who are passing the threshold. You can also monitor their variance from one period to the next to make sure that they are correcting their trends. And if you have too much data in a chart, you can zoom in and out to focus only on the values or the time periods that you're interested in. In the charges section, you will have a detailed breakdown of your expenses at different granularities, be it year, quarter, month, or day. The interactive cross filters will allow you to find the information you need in no time. Finally, we have added a troubleshooting dashboard where you can see full call details to troubleshoot and drill down to each single stream. With the advanced cross-filtering, you can find streams and calls by agency, location, user, caller or callee location, and type of call. The streams are color-coded, so you can detect long calls with heat maps, or you can use the minute filtering slider. The best of it all, if you have any specific requirement, we can customize our back billing solution to your needs. To find out more, come see us at the SOFTEL website and contact one of our representatives. Have fun with SOFTEL Solutions.